There's the windup and the pitch. Oh, it's a long drive. Way back. It might be out of here. It could be. Oh!
Yeah, that's my dog.
What a persistent pug. Amazing catch.
Hi everyone, it's Mitch from SportsChatPlace.com, and it's Monday, May 13th, 2013. Here with your free Dog of the Day pick over on Twitter, tweeting out Mitch's twit pick under my handle at SportsChatPlace. And yesterday, a push on my twit pick. It was the over-under the Ducks Red Wings game, which came in right at the number, but no harm, no foul. I'll be tweeting out another pick under the hashtag Mitch's Twit Pick once again today. Be sure to check it out over on Twitter. And, of course, my podcast, The First Quarter. You can listen up here where it says podcast, on iTunes where it says first. Type in the search First Quarter, or over on the Stitcher app. You can also download copies to your MP3 player that way and listen to it on the go as well. But 4-1 on yesterday's podcast. Kind of covered the all over the place. We did some NHL, hit the nice underdog with Toronto in the NHL. We had some solid baseball picks, and the one NBA game, we hit the total on that game as well. So I got 4 picks on today's First Quarter podcast. Be sure to check it out. More and more people listening to the First Quarter each and every day. No mystery why that's happened. Giving out a lot of winners. And, of course, SportsChatPlace.com Premium and Premium Plus, the best value in sports handicapping anywhere. I went 4-2 yesterday. That's where I give out my best bets, our staff's best bets. Picks from some of the top handicappers in the world today, all for one very low subscription price. And the reason why you're here, today's Dog of the Day pick, and this one, we head on out to Oakland, where the Oakland A's are hosting the Texas Rangers. Boy, last year the Oakland A's really kept us afloat during the bad times and really padded our winnings during the good times. But Oakland A's of late have been stinking up the joint. They just aren't the same team that they were a year ago. Really, really struggling right now. They're hosting the Texas Rangers in first place in the American League West, and actually playing some really solid baseball, swinging the bats well. And Ron Washington, you could say what you want about the guy, but boy, he seems to lose key players every single season, and every single season he seems to be right on top of the American League West standings, or very, very close to it. Griffin gets the ball for the A's. Grimm on the mound for the Rangers in this one. I just don't see the A's bats rising to the occasion. If they couldn't hit Joe Saunders yesterday, I'll tell you what, they're not going to have much better luck against Grimm in this one. I like the Rangers, and Texas Rangers, you're my Dog of the Day. This is Mitch. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.